Hey everyone, just going to give you a quick video of what I'm up to today. Today's job is to take these circles what I cut out and fill these up. This one here is just about to fit, right? This one's already made. This one's already made for this one. Because I'm even putting a heater in this, so I don't need to have all that sort of stuff in here. And that one's made. Now, well, this one here, I'm going to get at it probably in a little bit. But first things first, though, I want to get all these holes filled in. And so what I've done is I've just taken a template, traced out the hole so that I get this, and then I just place it over it and I get it. And I did the same with the large holes. As you can see, they fit really well. To keep them nice and round, I just put the grinder into a vise where it's nice and loose, start it up, and then I'm able to turn it on the grinder so I get a nice even roundness. Well, even-ish. But so that's kind of what my setup is for today. And I'm going to get up that one up in there, all right, so that they look good. Because I ain't needing the heater in here, and I'm not even going for original, right? You know, because, well, this ain't original. It's going to have the big motor in it, right? So, and I'd really like to get started on the frame, but kind of strapped for space, right? So that's just a quick rundown of what I'm up to today. I threw a coat of primer onto the other stuff. It looks pretty good, right? But again, this is all going to be undercoated and with stuff, right? I don't know what kind I'm going to use yet, but yeah. And then I'm going to try and clean up this, see if I have any problems to fix with all this sort of stuff, right? I don't think so. It's all pretty solid. But I want to wire wheel it, get the gas tank so that it sits in there. The steering, I think I might change it yet to a different steering column because I'm having issues with the steering itself on this. It's the key. It's really finicky. So we'll see. That's the furthest thing from the time project what I need right now. My next project is this, get these filled in so that all this can be painted, sanded down, painted, cleaned up. So yeah, everything's looking really well for me. Now it's just one project after another to what I need to done. But notice this little lip here though. It's a little bit rough right here, but it's a small lip. I'm going to wire wheel it. Hopefully I don't have to do anything with it. And if it's nothing, I'm not going to worry about it. I'll just clean it and treat it and deal with it. It ain't going to go anywhere. See, the back one looks good. But and then I got a small little hole up front there. But other than that, everything looks pretty good still. I don't know if I've shown you all these. I got all them ground down and looking intact. I think maybe today or this weekend I want to get all these bars out of here. So I'll be able to see if the doors fit nice. And then we'll see how well everything fits. So, well, I guess I'll see you at the end of the day when these are all welded in, because they're all cut. So, like I say, pitter patter, get at her. Thanks. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.